That was pretty fast, right? This is the way I pair my pigeons very fast. Well, first of all, you need to separate hens from cocks. You have to do it in order this to function. Usually, I separate them during the winter, so 3 months they are separated. And then it's pretty easy because you can choose and pick which one you're gonna pair with. So I will take one example. And you need to have like these boxes in order to pair them up. So if we take, for example, this hen, I will lock her on the place, and now I'm going to take one cock, and you're gonna see what's going to happen. Well, let's see. So I can choose now which one I'm going to pair with that hen. Well, okay, I just take this one. Let's see. So now I just put here inside, and you will see what's going to happen. You see, it usually takes just a couple minutes, and then they're going to be paired. Sometimes cocks get very aggressively, but usually the hens, they give up. That was pretty fast, right? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below, how do you pair your pigeons? Thank you. See you next one.